Meaning of informant.
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 Informant. An informant is a person who provides information or tips to law enforcement or other authorities, often in exchange for protection, immunity, or some other benefit. Informants can be valuable sources of insider knowledge about criminal activity, but there are ethical and legal concerns surrounding their use. Some critics argue that informants are often unreliable or motivated by self-interest, leading to false accusations or even wrongful convictions. Despite these criticisms, informants remain an important tool in many criminal investigations, and their use continues to generate controversy and debate.